Hi Amorians, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chef Amos and I share simple amazing recipes. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this caramel popcorn, from the popcorn to the caramel, the packaging and every other thing in between. Let's go. Now, first thing you need to do is to melt 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine in a pot, and then you're going to go in with your popcorn. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of popcorn. Please use a large pot because if this starts to pop, you will hate it if you're using a smaller pot. Now you're going to keep stirring like I'm doing until the popcorn, or let me say the corn, starts to pop. Now once your popcorn starts to pop, you're going to cover with a lid and allow all the corn to pop. This should take some minutes at least. Once all my popcorn is popped like this, all you need to do now is to make the caramel sauce. We're going to put this aside and prepare the caramel for this popcorn. In a pot or a saucepan, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Give everything a good stir and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts bubbling like this, you're going to keep stirring until you achieve this rich, beautiful honey color or golden brown. This should take some minutes. Once you have something like this, it is time to add your butter. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my butter. Mix it thoroughly until it is well dissolved in your caramel. Just like that. Please use a big pot because you don't want it splashing everywhere. Now you're going to add your evaporated milk. I'll be using Hollandia for this. Give everything a good stir until everything comes together. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Now at this junction, I'll be adding a pinch of baking soda and some vanilla flavor, just a drop or 2. Now give everything a good stir. You will notice that your caramel will get lighter after adding your baking soda. So just keep stirring until everything is well mixed and your caramel sauce is ready. Now that our caramel sauce and popcorn is ready, it is time to mix everything together. Add your caramel sauce to your popcorn and then give everything a good stir. Spread it on top of a baking tray to allow it to cool down completely, and you have your caramel popcorn ready. Perfect for your movie dates, movie night and whatever. Once it cools down completely, you're going to package in this popcorn containers that you can get from any baking supply shop or store, or you can just put it in your serving bowl and serve. And this is how I make my caramel popcorn. Bye.